Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix Focusrite Scarlett no hardware connected or not working. To fix your Focusrite Scarlett if it's showing no hardware connected or not working or no producing sound, first of all you have to check the connection. Ensure the USB cable is securely connected to both the Scarlett device and your computer. After that you have to try using a different USB cable and port. Then you have to restart the device and the computer. For that you have to unplug the Scarlett device and restart your computer and then reconnect the device. Then you can also try to install the updated drivers. For that you have to visit the Focusrite website to download and install the latest driver for your Scarlett model. You have to also ensure your computer operating system is up to date or not. If it's not updated, you have to update your operating system. After that you have to try to select your Scarlett as audio device. For Windows user you have to go to sound setting and then select playback and recording tab, and then you have to set Scarlett as default device. For Mac user you have to go to system preferences and then you have to go to sound, and then you have to select Scarlett for both input and output. You can also try to check your power supply. If you are using a Scarlett model with the external power supply, ensure it is properly connected or functioning. Hopefully this method will help you to fix the Focusrite Scarlett which is showing no hardware connected or not working. Thanks for watching.